Howdy. This is my first ever order from Ninja Printing, and I wanted to document it to see how good it is. It's my first time actually getting a big bulk gang sheet, and it was shipped out next day, and it got here today, which is the day it was scheduled for. So I'm already happy about that it's on schedule. Let's open her up. I need to open the whole box. Whew, got it. Alright, here's my gang sheet. Let's see. Already pretty happy with that, because these lines were tight. Look at that. Oh, sick. I can't wait to heat press. Can't wait to get to heat pressing. And I don't see any lifts so far. I'll get these cut out and come back to you, because just from initial inspection, very happy with them. Also, they sent me some samples of stuff too, I noticed. Neat. Ooh, some coupons. Alright, I'll be back. I am fangirling so hard right now over these DTFs from Ninja Printing. So, this is the Ninja Printing one today. Look at that. And it's stuck to it. There's no rubbing it up. Look at one compared to a local printer. Peeling off. This is what you get with a local printer that's inexperienced with DTF. You get bad product. This is what you get with an experienced company that can ship out 10-foot gang sheets to you within a week. Look at that. It's not even peeling up. Oh my God. I'm pulling the shit out of it and it's there. I'm just not used to such good quality. Ninja Printing, so far, 5-star. Next test comes heat pressing it. Okay, so I got them all cut out. Very happy with the quality of them so far. Nothing's peeling off. Everything is crisp. Very happy with the quality. Getting this heated up. Online recommended 310 for 12 seconds. So, getting the heat up. I'm gonna do this design, Jester Juice, for a koozie first. And I have a few new designs this year for Renaissance fairs. So if you're into Ren fairs and you happen to be local to me, opportunity to get them. Otherwise, I'll list them on my Etsy at the end of the season. Okay, I wanted to show you another example of what you'll get with a local printer. This is how this was whenever I received it. Peeling off the thing. And you could rub on this and it'd come off, but it's still a usable DTF. But nothing is peeling off of Ninjas. And I'm like really rubbing that. Like, oh, I'm so happy with this quality. And I put the gang sheet together, ordered it, shipped out next day. The day I was told I would receive it, I received it. So far, so happy. Like, next is going to be it actually transferring, but overall, currently, product is top tier. Okay, I forgot to film the first one, but look at that. Oh, I love it. Okay, I'm going to do a test of another drink one on the other side. Now, don't do as I do, because I'm experienced with this. Normally you'll want to take this down because DTF isn't sticky like other heat transfers, so keep that in mind. Now you're supposed to let it cool for a little bit. Cool. Oh my God. Such good transfers, you guys. Look. Ninja printing. Top tier transfers. So amazing. No one could get those lines locally. Oh my God. Love it. Totally fangirling out over here. You have no idea. I did this as a job for a while. And local places just can't match Ninja. There's no way, no how. Like, at least not my local places. God, it's so good. I love it. Oh, I'm obsessed. Obsessed. Oh my God. Perfect peel every time, you guys. Ninja printing. Like, oh, it's so good. It's so good. So good. Hot, you stupid ass. Yeah, of course it's gonna be hot. Peel. Oh, so pretty. So happy with this purchase. Now we'll set this to the side and wait. Let's see. Moment of truth. And this could be user error on my part. Okay. A little bit of peel up. That's normal though. Normal possibility. Other than that, everything's peeling very fine. I had a couple little loosey-gooseys, but nothing to worry about necessarily. And it's definitely my fault because these are a little wrinkly. So I'm gonna take the sheet off and give it a heat press with just this, just to make sure it adheres. I had no problem with the little ones though, so that's intriguing that the bigger ones would have a little bit of a difference, but it's pretty common with this stuff. Like I said, I've worked with it for a while. Still, overall, very happy. The stuff from the local place I couldn't even peel off unless it was completely cold, and then wouldn't even stay stuck to the stuff. So, look, huzzah! Huzzah! Isn't that fun? I love Ren Fair season. Let's see how the white one did. Are you peeling up? Doing okay. Did just fine. Excellent product, Ninja Print. Excellent product. I give this one another touchdown like I did the other one. Okay. Look at that. Huzzah. Huzzah. Let's see how this shenanigans peels. So far, so good. Perfect. Perfection. Seals it into the bag more. Look at it. Good peel, good peel. Good peel, good peel. Good peel. Perfect peel, actually. I think this one might be my favorite. Huzzah! Perfect pill. Beautiful. There she goes. Good morning, everyone. It is going to be a busy day. My heat transfers came in from Ninja Printing, so I got started on heat pressing stuff yesterday. Let me show you some designs that I made for this year's Ren Fair. A couple of them are old designs, but I have two new ones that I'm really excited about. We have this Huzzah design. This is an old one, but she sells pretty good at markets. And this is another old one, but she's a bestseller as well. I'm thinking about putting her on a t-shirt. And this is my other bestseller. I know it's not a very original design, but I did put it together myself. Chose that font and whatnot. And made my own graphic just because all the ones online I did not like. And this is my other new one for the year. Huzzah! And I'm also going to have these on koozies. Let me show you one more thing. So this is another new design for the year. Jester Juice. I'm pretty happy about this one. So people get a koozie. It's double-sided. They'll be available at my booth. I have the Huzzah design on a koozie. And I have this Huzzah design on a koozie as well. I also have to heat press these tags inside each bag. So each one's got like my logo in it. Highly recommend Ninja transfers. These are so superior to what you can get from a local printer. There's no peel up whatsoever. There's no peeling off of this backing like I got with local printers. My local printers, these don't hold up. Like I actually have one that was in storage. Hang on. So let's see, is this the baddie? Yeah, like all the ones I got from my local printer have peel off, and they don't adhere very well because clearly the local printer isn't proficient in what they're doing. They're just in it for a cash grab instead of passion in their product. All right, my heat press marathon is wrapped up. Each bag has the tag in it. And we did it, folks. We got all the heat pressing done. Huzzah. And a huzzah. And then I have the koozies as well. Overall, stellar experience with the Ninja Print product. Highly recommend if you're a person who commonly orders big gang sheets of DTF, because amazing. Like, they were shipped out next day. 10 feet of DTF was shipped out next day. Delivered on time. No issues with the product. If you're somebody who gets their own merch made and you have a heat press and you're looking for an easy, affordable, pleasant experience, highly recommend Ninja transfers. Like, you are missing out if you don't use them. But that's all I gotta say. Just I'm fangirling over here with how pleasant the experience was. Y'all should really look into using them for all your direct to film needs. They have other options too. Like, you can go ahead and order your shirts pressed. Like, Like, if you can set up a gang sheet, even if you can't, they have people that'll help you do it. You can get your own merch made and it be virtually pain-free. Like, I had no issues. I can't talk highly about them enough. Just know that this is coming from a perspective of a person who has worked in commercial printing for 6+ years. And I've done this. I've been in the business of print. None of the local places I worked for could have done that turnaround in that fast of a time. Like, it would be smart for you to use Ninja transfers. And hell, a lot of your local printers, if they don't have time to complete a project, they sublet it out to Ninja transfers anyway, and then they charge you for it. So cut out the middleman. Print your own merch. Use Ninja transfers. Peace out, Girl Scout.